my camera.
Take pictures with my camera.
Open up the door, squeak.
Open up the door, squeak.
Walk down the road.
Walk down the road.
Coming to a wheat field.
Coming to a wheat field.
Come on, Ariel.
Go under it.
We can't go under it.
Can't go over it.
We can't go over it.
Have to walk through it.
Have to walk through it.
Here we go, going to the wavy wheat. Come on, Ben. Here we go. Come on, Ariel. Woo, got through the wheat field.
Got through the wheat field. Got through the wheat field.
Coming to a bridge.
We're coming to a bridge.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Good
Have
job.
to walk over it.
We have to walk over it.
Some of you can do that. Great. All right.
Got over the bridge.
Got over the bridge.
Coming to a tree.
Coming to a tree.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Guess we'll have to climb it.
Guess we'll have to climb it.
Climb to the top.
Climb to the top.
Do you see a bear?
Do you see a bear?
No,